Okay, my friends, so welcome to uCANall channel. It's channel about life in Canada and about travel. It's been a while since I made my last video. So yeah, guys, today is going to be something special. So the plan actually to enjoy this Niagara region. If you didn't know, I live here I've been living in Niagara, I believe for 2 years at least. And now we're exploring Niagara very deeply. I mean all these adventures in this region. We're going to try a couple of local hotels, with Niagara Falls view. It's going to be a bunch of entertainments in a couple of next videos, I believe. So today, this one is going to be dedicated to Niagara Power Station. So it's Niagara Park Power Station, and so far we didn't visit it. So it's a pretty nice place. It's something new, pretty much new, I should say, relatively new to this region. And a bunch of my friends were saying it's must have to do and to visit. So that's exactly what we're trying to do. And yeah, let's make this video helpful. It's not only about vlogging, it's about this place. I want to share my experience and to give you some advices. And for example, so we got it's possible to buy Niagara Parks parking passway for the entire year. The price is actually about $50, but you're getting this ticket for the entire year, guys. This like this ticket size. So on another side, some barcode and my place for my vehicle. And so now I'm staying in this parking space just in front of this Niagara Power Station, guys. And actually the price for this parking about $40, guys. It's expensive. And I'm not sure how it's exactly working in here. I'm trying to learn when I'm going, and I just scanned my ticket to make it inside, and we will see if I'm going to pay something or not. The whole idea is supposed to be free for me, and I believe I should be able to escape and not to pay something, it should be zero price for me, as long as I have this annual parking ticket, guys. And it definitely makes sense to buy this ticket in advance when you're going to explore this area, so you should not be paying in any Niagara Parks. You can just use this one ticket and you should be pretty much okay. And yeah, now we got some for Niagara Falls. If you live in this region, you can buy some with a very good discount. In November you can get some very nice affordable price for all the entertainments here in Niagara region, guys. That's exactly what we've got. The price also is about $50 for my entire family, and the idea actually to visit everything. And let's see, today let's focus on Niagara Power Station. Let's see how it's working. I'm sure it's going to be fun. And yes, stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a bunch of entertainments in this channel. So, and yeah, thank you so much for visiting me today, and enjoy.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
Okay guys, it was quite an experience. So you can try to imagine how loud it was actually. My Apple Watch was just crazy. It was saying like this is too much guys, so you should probably escape from here. That's what I did. So it was extremely loud, you know. And yeah, you should be ready, like it's, maybe you get some headphones or something to protect your ears, because it's like with your hands it's not easy to do. Like for me it was extremely loud. And yeah, I was just trying to escape immediately, like after a couple of seconds from this loud environment. Like I know this is absolutely not okay for you. And yeah, so be ready for this. Maybe get some headphones or something, just try to protect it very nicely and you should be fine. But overall, so fast, so nice experience, you know, like everything, this mechanical stuff. This is power station, this is history of this region, of Niagara region. And yeah guys, so far so good.
Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, cause there will be a time.
So we're going to go down 180 feet underground. What you're looking at the back is a drive shaft. It's 135 feet tall and weighs 90 tons. In behind, each one has its own penstock. Each penstock holds 80,000 gallons of water per minute. And that water is discharged into the wheel pen. That's where we're going. And you're going to walk the discharge tunnel at 2,200 feet one way.
Humans, what have you learned? I was programmed to beat you.
You know what, that's tunnel actually quite nice experience, and I didn't expect this is so long, you know, it's very big, very spacious. I'm like walking maybe like 3 minutes already, you know, and it's still I'm not able to see like Niagara Falls. And can you try to imagine how it was such a headache to build this, like it's kind of challenge. Bunch of dynamics, I believe, like to make everything happen. Just can you see? This is how big it is. It's quite nice experience, I should say.
Ooh, you wanna come and get me, kick me down and make me hurt myself. Oh no, you will never forget me. I'm imprinted on your heart, I swear. At times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you.
How do I look? Quite nice experience, guys. It's pretty wet. Just check this out.
Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a touch you? Do I just
Okay, my friends, tunnel. That's exactly what making this place. Like, this was such a nice experience, guys. You will get the best, one of the best possible views for this Niagara Falls, staying just so close. And except of boat, of course, you can take some cruise, and you're also going to enjoy it. But this way, it was also so wonderful. So yeah, my friends, this is one of must-dos in Niagara region, Niagara Falls attractions. This is one of the best, I should say. This tunnel, like I believe, like White Walk also should be a good idea to do. But this tunnel, something I'm experienced myself, and it's very, very nice. So we've got very nice experience. We've got my red nose. Why? Because in here pretty cold, I should say, pretty wet. So be ready for this. Wear proper shoes, proper clothes. You will get this rain protection for free in here, but like for free, you actually already paid for this entrance. And overall, like I wasn't extremely, I should say, impressed by this power station, but it still is pretty nice and interesting, especially if you're going to dig deeper, and try to learn this history, to understand how powerful was this station economically and what happened then with this station and why this not anymore like actually working. Because it would be still possible to get some energy using this energy from the river, from the waterfall. It's still possible, but why it's not happening? This is some questions you're going to ask yourself, and you can investigate by yourself. I will try to put some useful information in this video, but anyway, this is your journey, and you better try it yourself. Explore this area, try this tunnel, and I believe you will not regret spending this money for this adventure, and something I would advise you to do, guys. And I believe I'm going to wrap up my video in here. Yeah, I'm wrapping up for today, guys. And yeah, we're going to visit like Skylon Tower and a bunch of more stuff. Our hotel will show this Niagara Falls view. Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget, never stop being exploring. And okay, bye. I will try to catch you in the next one.
round and round we go.
Some bonus spot for those of you folks who are still watching this video. This parking situation, so I just made it outside. I was just presenting my annual ticket for parking, and it's working. It's worked, guys. And this is good advice for you. So it was for free for me. So I got this annual parking ticket, and I didn't need to pay in here, you know, guys. And that's a good advice for you. And by the way, give me a thumbs up if you like it when I'm sharing some good tips for you. This is channel just about you. It's created everything about for you guys. So support my channel, some thumbs up from you, leave some comments below. Maybe you have some questions, I can provide you with more information. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. Bye bye this time.
someone, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate, got it tatted on me, told them follow me, they see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe lakes, as clear as day, no longer move around in fear, disarray, pray you hear me like the winter wind against your